Naga jinglengkot jongapor ke bawah Menteri Rangba Sorkar Jela Ukonrat Ke Sangma Uwan jongo ikasor Umsning Haribhoi District kabalong haka arpue terik unai wing arjar arpsan haka jingyat lenti jongu nandunalat mauhati hadu ha auditorium hall ke Umsning Town Dorbar shibun ki kamu Menteri Rangba awlala apan pendap na kebenta ke bit kebiang jong ki pajba kene kathain kabalong namar ke jingdon rekat jong ki officer na gitanat trikam boper jong Sorkar Haribhoi District banpet ye ki jingdon kam hapo kathain kini ki kentop ia akan nala pentut kabadon lang dakatanat PWD ban penbiang ye kinala harut surok bat kiwe
like a pond. Yeah. So there's no so water flow can from no, but then how will the water drain go from here? It'll go, then it'll go into there's a bigger stream there.
Yes, there.
What stream is this? PWD, who's there from PWD? Yes. So what do we do about this? Is there a possibility? Submitted. Actually, it is with the water, with the drainage going, allowing the water to flow out. So that will take care of the problem. What is the estimate of that? Okay. So just Alex, please note this thing down. Take a picture and then note this thing down. Get the engineer's number. And then note this down. This is what it is. This is the estimate. And this action to be taken. Yes. Okay. No, the street lights have to be taken out. Okay. So now PWD is yeah. So the PWD will clean up all the nalas. So this road safety and they clean up the nala. Then they construct in the nala there where the road that goes towards Mauhati, the junction, and they'll construct a new nala there. And then take it down, the water down. All that is part of one estimate. The file number he has given to us. So we'll take that. So that's just for your knowledge only. Second part is what Emily has mentioned, that we need street lights. So this can either be done through say MN redone, so or through CM as scheme. So we'll see which one. We just make a note of this. Just we propose already previously. How much is it?
We propose a different number they propose. I think that's enough. Okay. We already said
There's a solar machine. How much? 100. 20 lakhs. Can I get it? Yes, sir. Note it down. Take the number down. Take the number down. I'm sorry. Video. Video. Mention it here. Just 100 lakhs or 20 lakhs.